Hey guys, I'm doing my review on the chemical Guys JetSeal. This stuff is amazing. I'm about to show you my car. I have two-part video. I've waxed my car twice with this in the past 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Took it on serious road tests. Right now I have a whole bunch of bug juice on it, so I'm about to test that, taking it off. I also let it sit in the rain. We had some nice rain and my paint is looking amazing. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so here's my car. It's a windy day. I'll just show you all the bug juice everywhere. I'm going to take that off. That should come off super smooth. The sealant is amazing, comes off great, goes on great. No white spots, no streaks, no nothing. And after 2 weeks sitting in the rain and driving around, the car still looks great. Hi, good day guys. My name is Ish. I'm from Kirkland, Quebec. I'm testing out the chemical Guys JetSeal. This stuff is amazing. Goes on great, comes off great, doesn't leave any white marks whatsoever. Very easy to apply. Makes my car look extremely great, shines amazing. I highly recommend this for anybody who wants to keep their car nice, shiny, smooth,